Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough way here to end the week, as yesterday, as I mapped out in the video, that the price had actually started to show some signs of life. The price was, building this uptrending trend line here, but that was just absolutely destroyed today as the price not only gapped down, so opened up at that point, which was already below the trend line, but even after the gap down, the price just continued to bleed in the downwards direction. So that's the overall context of things, is that trend line has now been broken, so I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that. And now the nearest level of resistance, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken. So going back to the history of things, you can see 2450 was an area of support, but when levels are broken, they tend to act as resistance. So if the price does consolidate out and then start to work its way back upwards, the big question mark now remains up there at 2450 in terms of not necessarily can the price get back up to it, but more importantly, can the price then break above it and close above it? So like I said, moving forward, if there is any sort of attempted movements, that'll be that key level that needs to be monitored very, very closely. If the price can push up through 2450, the next key area of resistance at that point would be that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period simple moving average. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, you're going to have to squeeze things down here quite a bit because it has been a very long time since the price has been down around this area. But next key level of support to keep a close eye on right here at $23.50, and then if 23.50 cannot quite hold up, next key level after that, not until that gap close location down there, or 22.50. So 23.50 and then 22.50, next couple areas of support. But yeah, no doubt about it, a very rough week, and we'll have to see if the price can try to get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.